Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Bright Edge Media YouTube channel. I'm Jane, and today we want to look at another interesting topic. If this platform has been of great help, do like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Let's now join in class with our very own instructor for today's training.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Bright Edge Media YouTube channel. It's a pleasure to be here again, and today we want to look at another interesting topic or tutorial. And today we are going to be looking at how we can make our own avatar, and then we train it to speak, to gesture, to move, and we are going to do that using about 2 AI models. All right, so we are going to use one that is an image generator, and we are going to use another one which has to do with visuals. All right, that is the one that we are going to use to enable our static image to be able to react. Okay, and that is what we're going to be looking at. I'm going to be bringing up some AI models. Okay, I will be introducing to us, and some of them we are used to, and some might sound new to us, especially for those of us who are new YouTubers. Okay, young YouTubers. I think this video will really be of great help. So without wasting time further, let's dive into today's topic. Now, there are some things we are going to be looking at. We're going to look at how to construct our image with text prompt. That is how to create our image using a text prompt. And then we're going to be looking at recommendable image generator. That is image generator that we can use, okay, to do this. Then we're going to look at how we go about with our image generation, okay, how to go about our image generation, and also we're going to look at animating our image animation, and we're going to be doing the normal animation, and then we look at the customized image animation. Okay, then we're also going to look at additional tools that we can find on a particular AI model that we'll be using. Okay, and that has to do with the extend, the add music, the auto animation, okay, and the rest of them. Okay, extend will be needful in case in the situation where we want a consistent character. All right, and then we can also have music at the background. That is if we so want it, but it will not be all that necessary. Okay, but if you so want it, you can also use the add music option, then and the rest goes on like that. Okay, so if you are with me, then let's roll together. All right, so the first thing we want to do is to go to our browser. All right, you go to your browser, and you are going to type Meta AI. Meta AI. I believe it's such sorry, let me turn on my data. I believe it's such a familiar AI model, but a lot of us we do not use it for one reason or the other. But of late, the Metal AI company has come up with something so very, very vital and interesting, which I think you are going to find this interesting as well. All right, so you're going to go to Metal, click on the first result that pops up. Okay, click on Meta AI. You let it open. Now, uh, what I will advise you is this. For those of you who will not be working with your PC, your personal computer, your laptop, your desktop, okay, you're going to be sticking to your phone. I'll advise that you change the setting, okay, of your phone view from phone format to desktop format, okay? If you don't know how to do that, it's simple. Just come here to this three dot line at the top of the right hand side, okay? You click on it and there you are going to find this option, all right? You can see that mine is already ticked, okay? Simply signifying that it's already on desktop format, okay? So that is what we're going to do to enable you to see everything that you are supposed to see, all right, there on on your phone, okay, serving as your desktop, okay. So we have so many things that we can do here. Now the first thing we're going to do is to uh, go ahead and enter a text prompt, okay, of the image you want to generate, okay. I told us earlier that we are going to see how we can construct a good text prompt, and it's so easy, okay. You can do it all by yourself, or you can use ChatGPT as your prompt engineer, okay, and ask it to generate a perfect image for you. And all you need is just to give it a description of an image that you want, okay, and then you go ahead and copy what ChatGPT gives you, and then you enter the prompt, you know, on the the AI model that you want to use, and then you continue from there. All right. So let me quickly go get the image. I mean the prompt of which I have already prepared. All right. So the as you can see that Metal AI is the first AI model that we are using for our work. So had already got my prompt, okay, and then it's already placed or entered in here, okay, on Metal. All right. If you want the prompt that I am using for this tutorial, just let me know, and I will make it available. All right. So this is the prompt that we are going to use. And once you have done that, okay, you can go ahead and generate. But for the sake of this training, and because it is a kind of project we'd like to use for YouTube, so ensure to put the aspect ratio. All right, the aspect ratio should be landscape. All right, and then probably in brackets you can put 16, okay, to 9, 16 ratio 9, okay. So you close it. So once that is done, then the next thing you want to do is to hit generate. But let me just shrink it, okay, so we can have a full view of what we are doing. Then you go ahead and hit the generate button. Excuse me, sorry. All right. So go ahead and hit the generate button here, okay, and let's wait for Metal to get our job done. All right, so let's wait for it. Okay, now Metal has gotten our image generated. Usually it comes in four images, okay? So you can click on each of them so that you can view what has been generated so far, okay? So this is one of the image. You can see how good this is. All right, you can click on the next button to see the next one, okay, and as well click on the next one, okay, to see what has been created for you. All right, so this image good looking, all right? They ain't bad, and you can see the background is so good looking. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to edit the image. Okay, edit the image. Maybe you want to fine tune it. All right, we can say you want to make the image look a bit better. Okay, so let's go to where we have this one, edit image. Okay, and let's enter a simple prompt there to further change the look or the face of our image. Okay. All right, so I've been able to enter the prompt, okay, that I want to use to alter, the look of my image, okay, so it can look a bit more standard, okay. So you hit generate, why Meta go ahead and do, and get the job done. All right, the job is done. Let's click on each of the images to have a view of what uh, we have. Okay, now this is one of the images, okay, that has been done for us. Okay, this is another one, kind of looking cool. Okay, this is another one, this is another one. All right, so well, not quite bad, not bad. You can see how it's looking with the editing work that we have been able to uh, instruct the Meta AI to effect on it. Okay, so as you take a look at my screen, you see that there are other things that we can do. All right, like in the case of where you can animate, okay, you can animate your image, okay, using this option. But this one, Meta decide the animation for you, okay. Meta will decide the animation for you. Why this second one? Okay, that is you customizing your animation. That is, you want to customize it exactly the way you want it to react or to act. Okay, so but when you hit animate, that is the first one. Meta decide what should be the action and reaction of your character. Okay, but if you hit on the customize animate, you decide the action and the reaction of your character. Okay, so let's first start with the first one. All right. All right. This is the result of what we got, you know, uh, using the auto animation. Okay, that is allowing AI Metal to decide the action and reaction of our character. Okay, during the animation process, and you can see how the character is reacting. But that being said, you will see that there are some glitches. Okay, there are some glitches right there. You can see the hand, looking to be, somehow is not looking presentable. But then let's use the second option, which has to do with you customizing the animation yourself. You decide the action and reaction. Okay, so let's go ahead and use that option. All right, so I've been able um, to enter the prompts, okay, of what I want my character action and reaction should be. Okay, so let's hit generate and wait for the result.
Welcome back from the training. Hope you learned something in class today. If you're really finding the tutorials interesting, like, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification bell for upcoming tutorials. Bye for now.